everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alok Krishali, and in this video we will see about polymorphism, type of polymorphism, and then later we will try to understand it through some example. We will write some code that help to understand polymorphism. If you are new to my channel, and feel free to subscribe by pressing subscribe button to get all the latest video updates, especially in Unity. So let's dive into the topic. Today's topic is polymorphism. So polymorphism is one of the four main OOPS principles, that is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction, and it allows object of different type to be treated as single base type. So this is the formal definition of polymorphism. Also, we have covered some topics like encapsulation and abstraction in previous videos. That link we will provide in description. You can check those videos and understand the other aspects of OOPS. So let's start. So type of polymorphism we will understand. So in Unity we will use CSharp language, and we will try to understand it through some example. So first we will understand type of polymorphism in CSharp. So first is method overriding. It is also called runtime polymorphism, and it is happened through inheritance and virtual method. Second is method overloading. It is also called as compile time polymorphism. And third one is interfaces. Using interfaces we can use multiple implementation, so that also comes under polymorphism. So we'll start it with first topic, using method overriding. So we will understand through some example, and we will understand the first type, that is method overriding. And in this we will see inheritance in action. This is most commonly used polymorphism in Unity projects. It allows different character type to share a common behavior but implement it differently. So we will start through some example. So scene we are already created. So I will create one empty game object and keep it game object, and I will create one script, character, new script, and we'll create one more folder inside script, that is polymorphism. This was for encapsulation in previous video, so I forgot to keep it inside. Save. So this class I created. Let's open the editor. Now in this I'll remove this code, and I'll create one function, that is virtual, and suppose attack. Debug.log character attack. Type also return type. Save. Second is second class will create, that will be child class, and I'll create one more class here, that is size, and here this class, it inherit character, and the function we write virtual there, public override void attack, and we'll write debug here also, debug dot log, and inside this I will write cast fireball, and other one is so I'll remove this and I will add this class here. I will open this, and I will create one more class here. And let's suppose, and here I will create the object of other classes, like in start I will create character, type I am writing warrior equals to new warrior, so one more class I am creating here, public class warrior, and character, and inside this I will do nothing but override this function, and here I will write debug.log, swing a sword. Okay, save. Now in our Unity created this handler, and here now warrior, I created the object of this of character type, and I will call this function. Okay, I will create first object of other class also, and new yeah, so save this, and now I will call those function warrior dot attack, okay, warrior dot attack, why it's not coming, attack, okay, let's see what's the issue. Warrior, oh, activation truck, no, attack, copy, save, and here also I have to write and now I'll call this, and second dot. So now it should work. Save this, let's play, open the console. Oh, we'll see in console what happened. Yeah, so warrior sword, then later it came fireball. So this is the one way. And why we use it? Because allows different character to have unique attack style. So while using the common base class, we created common base class of character, and these are different type of characters that have unique attack, but function name is same. We can write different implementation but using common base class. So this is the one way. And other reason, make your code flexible and reusable. So we can see our code is reusing, the function name is reusing in all subclasses. So this is the one way. Another one is method overloading, also called compile time polymorphism. So in this method overloading, allow multiple method with same name but different parameter. So same name means if I have function like character, okay, so here copy, I'm duplicating this, and I'll write some string message, okay, and this error is coming because I haven't declared it here. So copy, and so we'll copy this and paste it here, and we'll write string message, save. So here also it is coming now, no issues coming. So we will print this message also plus. Okay, same thing we will do with here also. Copy this, paste it, attack string message, and that message we will print. And now we will call these functions as well as other function with some hey, hello. So now we can see function name is same but it has different parameter. So this kind of thing also we can do. It is called compile time polymorphism because we already written code before compiling, means before running. So it is at time of compilation compiler can check these things. So if I hit play, you can see this is also coming in second call here. So this is method overloading, and now we will understand why we use it. So it improves code readability by using the same function name or related action. Like if we are attacking and we want some value also, so instead of string we can put here int also. So if you want some value, so we can pass from there, and if we are not passing, then we can call directly this function without parameter. So with parameter also we can call. So it is for code reusability, and it avoid creating multiple method like attack with damage, attack with effect, attack with more damage. So instead of creating multiple method, one method is enough, and we can add multiple parameter. So this is the another way. Now last one is polymorphism with interface. We will see multiple implementation, so we will understand this also. So now I'm removing this class component from here, and we will see polymorphism with interfaces. Means interface allow different classes to share common functionality without direct inheritance. So I'll create one class, suppose zombie, okay, enemy handler, okay. So this component I added here, save it and open it in editor. So now I will create one interface, public interface enemy, and inside that void take damage, and inside that damage value, okay. So another class I will create, public class zombie, that implement that interface enemy and mono behavior as well. So I'll implement the interface, okay. Save it, and I will write here something debug.log zombie took damage value. Now I will create one more class, just copy this, and its name is robot, and same thing it will do, but here robot took damage, okay. Now here I will create interface type enemy1 equals to new zombie enemy2 equals to new robot, and using these object enemy1 dot damage take damage 10, enemy2 dot take damage 20. Now if I check this in Unity editor, so class I attached here that still running. So we can see zombie took damage 10 and robot took damage 20. So we call this function one by one. So same value is printing here. Now we will understand what we did. So we created one interface that is common, and that same interface to class implemented, and function name was same. So here we can see the interface name is same, but it holding the reference of two object. Those classes implement this interface. So why we use it? It allow multiple classes to implement the same interface different way. And another is decoupled code. A system like enemy AI can work with object implementing enemy. So using this also we can achieve polymorphism. Now we will understand when to use polymorphism in our Unity game. So it is basically when AI systems are there, like different enemies behavior using common enemy base class. So in that case also we can use polymorphism. Second is weapon and abilities. So in that way different attack type in combat system. In that case also we can use polymorphism. Game event using interface for UI update or player interaction. And last one is state machine, different states. Example, we can use idle state, we can use attack state by implementing the common iState interface. Now we will summarize all the things whatever we did. So polymorphism, it makes Unity code modular, reusable and flexible. Second one is use method overriding, method overloading and interfaces to achieve polymorphism. Third one is help build scalable game system like AI abilities or state machines. So this is the whole topic of today. If you enjoy this topic and the tutorial, then press like button, and if you want more video related to this, then write comment for us, and you can subscribe our channel for future video. Thanks for watching.